Hey, it's Scott here from Fastvue. I just thought I'd take you through how you can set up your FortiGate to log AI prompts so that you can analyze those in Fastvue Reporter. So the three things you need: you want to go into your outbound web policies. So I've got one here called outbound web access inspected. Three things are, if you scroll down, you need to have SSL inspection, so deep packet inspection, not just your standard certificate inspection, but you want to be doing the DPI and rolling out the certs and getting that all working. The next thing you need is a web filter profile and an application profile with two specific qualities. So if I just take a look at the web filter profile, basically any category that is allowed, you want to set that to monitor. Specifically, you want to check the artificial intelligence technology category is set to monitor, because FortiGate added this semi-recently and it was defaulting to allow. So even if you've been through here and set these to allow, to monitor previously, make sure that this one is also set to monitor. If I back out of the web filter profile, basically it's the same kind of thing in the application control, but this is really the important part in FortiGate that's actually going to log the prompts for you. So make sure the generative AI category is set to monitor as well. So just drop this down and set it to monitor. That's basically it. So DPI and set all those things to monitor. Now, we are reliant on FortiGate adding an application signature for the AI application in order to log the prompt. To identify what applications are supported by FortiGate, you can go into this view, or you can also go into security profiles and go to your application section and you get a similar thing. But you can filter this view by the AI category. So if I just go category equal to generative AI and apply that, cool. So these are all of our generative AI apps. Now you notice that some of them have this little cloud icon. That means FortiGate's going to log like extra stuff. So for this one here, for the file upload, it's probably going to log the name of the file. For the login, it's probably going to log the name of the user that logged in. And for post, it's going to log the actual post, the actual prompt that you put in there. So you can also filter this list even further by going cloud application equal to yes, and that will just show you the ones with the little cloud application. Now this is FortiOS 7.6.4, and they have introduced a ton of new AI applications, which is fantastic. So, but they did introduce this in 7.4 as well. So they at least had support for Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini in that version. But yeah, if you upgrade to 7.6, you'll get a lot more. So once you've got that configured, you can actually view prompts in your log. So if I go to security events and make sure we go to logs and select application control, you just make sure you are viewing the file name column at least. That's for 7.4, FortiOS 7.4. But in 7.6, they've actually added a few more fields. They've added a dedicated prompt field, and they're also logging the model and the AI user. And I think there's a few others as well. But yeah, that's pretty cool that they've added a few sort of dedicated fields just for AI prompt logging. So if I jump over to my ChatGPT here, I've already got a prompt here. Let's just throw that in again. And, you know, ChatGPT will be supportive of me and hopefully not give me the answer that I'm probably seeking there. So that's good. And now if I refresh this view, we should see, there we go, ChatGPT, what's the point of living if no one likes me? It's logged it twice for some reason, not quite sure why, but more the merrier, I guess. That's fine, it sort of won't affect your Fastvue report. And you can also see it in the file name field here as well. So if you've only got 7.4, it will at least be logged over here. And there's another field called application details that logs the same thing as well. So you're kind of covered, but yeah, it's logged in a bunch of places. Now, the way that looks in Fastvue, so first of all, if I go to my email alerts here, it will be emailed straight to you, assuming you've got your self-harm searches alert configured to go to someone. So we actually import AI prompts into our searches field. So yeah, it will be part of that. You'll just see ChatGPT or Claude or whatever the website is that they're heading to in that alert. You can also see it in your reports. So here's one I created earlier. This is the internet usage report. So if I just go right to the top, overview report, you've got the main type. So internet usage, select your date range, hit run report. And in the safeguarding section, we've got the search terms, and you'll actually see your ChatGPT and your AI prompts in here as well. As I said, it comes into the searches field, but we've also got a dedicated widget here called AI prompts that just breaks out the searches essentially that are categorized as AI. And the internet usage report, you can also switch to all prompts, so you can see all the things that aren't necessarily flagged as a concern, but you need to view them. Especially useful if you're drilling down into a user and you want to see just the prompts that that person was entering, ordered by time. So that's quite useful. They're also shown in the safeguarding report. So if I pull that up, let's see if I've got one here. So yeah, you got your self-harm, extremism, all of your concerning categories. And again, they'll be displayed in the searches section, identified with the application or the website that they're on, along with the time and so on. In amongst videos, and yeah, so that's how you'll see it in Fastvue Reporter, real-time alert, as well as in your safeguarding report and internet usage report. I think that kind of covers it. So yeah, a few things to do on the FortiGate side, just to set it up and actually log the prompts, and then that's coming into Fastvue in those various ways. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help anyone with any of this stuff and hear your feedback. Thanks a lot. Cheers.